Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. This is a recap clip for the Bournemouth weekend, the Jivetime Bournemouth weekend that happened in April in 2024. When we taught our classes, we promised we'd put some reminders up on the channel. Now, the icebreaker class, there were a number of moves we used. I'll just put links in the description below to some of the moves from that class. That was the fun thing, just to get things rolling on the Friday night. Our first kind of proper class was the Advanced Jive on Saturday, and the Advanced Jive, we did a sway traverse, a turning Charleston kicks and a yo-yo comb ballroom turn. Again, there'll be links to the teaching clips for these in the description below. We'll give you a quick run through of each of those. So the sway traverse went a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. The turning Charleston kicks looked like this. It went 7 and 8, back, in, rock step, kick, double kick, rock step, kick, double kick, rock step, kick, turning kicks, rock step, in, out, face, return and back. And the yo-yo comb ballroom turn looked like this. Went 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So that was the Advanced Jive class. The next class we did on the Saturday was the Carolina Shag. We've not recorded any clips for Carolina Shag, which means there's no links for me to put in the description below to give you a teach, but I will put a couple of links in the description below to show you some nice clips of Carolina Shag, so you can go off and have a look. The person we kind of recommended who did a lot of teaching was a guy called Charlie Womble, who partners with Jackie McGee. We'll make sure there's a link to one of their clips, and we'll probably show you some competition stuff as well. We taught a starter step, a send out, a basic. Then from the basic we did a crossover variation, which you could do, a kick brush, ball change variation. That's either you kick or brush, a boogie walk. Then we did a ladies turn, a saddle up and a triple basic. That lot put together looks like this. Goes 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Send out 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Crossover pattern 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then we did a kickball change. Then we did a boogie walk. Back to basic. Then we did a ladies turn and a saddle up and a triple basic. One and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 rock step, and that was the whole thing. The next class we had was on Sunday, where we did a West Coast swing class. In the West Coast swing class we did a selection of whips. Starting from scratch, we did a whip, an inside turn, whip an outside turn, cut off whip, Apache whip, reverse whip, and then we just kind of touched on a rewind whip right at the end. So that looks like this. So it goes 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Inside turn whip, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Outside turn, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Cut off whip, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Apache whip, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Reverse whip, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Rewind whip, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and a 1. And that was the whole lot for the West Coast swing class. And then finally we did a doubles class. There's only 2 of us here, so we can't recap the doubles class by showing you everything, but we did do an arm jive, a lady spin and a catapult. That was the kind of open stuff. Then we showed you how to form a circle, did a circle basket, a cross-handed arm jive with a push spin exit so you could get out of the circle again. And then we gave you finally at the end the kind of killer move of the routine, which was in the circle, how to do a pretzel and use that as a way of getting out of the circle as well. Some of those we've recorded a clip for, so you can learn it online, and I'll put the links to those in the description below. The ones we haven't done, I will stick on the list of doubles moves that we will record sometime in the future. So if we don't have a clip for it now, we will have a clip for it eventually, so check back and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for coming along for the weekend. We had a cracking time, had some fantastic dances with people, and we look forward to seeing you somewhere soon. Sardinian holiday coming up soon, but of course Bournemouth will be on again next year. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.